These are the national birds of different countries, Part 12. Saint Lucia has Saint Lucia Amazon. Saint Kitts and Nevis has brown pelican. Saint Vincent and the Grenadines has Saint Vincent parrot. Scotland has golden eagle. Serbia has golden eagle as well. Singapore has crimson sunbird. South Africa has blue crane. South Korea has Korean magpie. For more videos like these, please like, share and subscribe to Small Wonderland.